In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide with how to fix bugs in your Base44 app using AI. We'll walk through using the built-in AI assistant to diagnose and resolve issues quickly. Our example bug will be the drop a file section isn't clickable. Start by opening the Base44 site and signing in. Once you're in, head to the apps area from the main navigation. This is where all of your projects live. Find and select the app that's showing the issue so we can work directly in its editor and preview. With your app open, look for the chatbot panel. This assistant is designed to help troubleshoot your specific app. Click into it and describe what's wrong as clearly as possible. Include what you tried, what you expected, and what actually happened. For example, you might type, in the upload screen, the drop a file zone does not respond to clicks or drag and drop. Expected, clicking opens the file picker. Actual, no action on click, no visible errors, using Chrome on desktop. The more context you provide, the better the AI can pinpoint the cause. When your description is ready, hit send. Give the assistant a moment to analyze. It may ask clarifying questions or suggest changes such as checking for an invisible overlay blocking pointer events, a disabled attribute, or CSS like pointer events. None on the drop zone. Keep the chat open so you can reference its guidance while you work. If the assistant needs more context, you can also right-click anywhere on the app in your browser and choose Save As to download the page HTML. Save it to your computer. This captures the rendered structure so the AI can inspect it more closely. Back in the chatbot, upload the HTML file you just saved, then restate your prompt briefly, referencing the upload. For example, that uploaded the preview HTML. The drop a file area is not clickable. This helps the assistant align its recommendations with the actual code structure it can now see. Click send again and review the updated suggestions. You might get targeted instructions such as removing a blocking element, adjusting z-index, enabling the input behind the drop zone, or fixing event listeners for click and drop. Apply the proposed changes in your editor. Finally, try the app to confirm the fix. Refresh the page, then click the Drop a File area and verify the file picker opens. Test drag and drop as well. If it's still not working, return to the chatbot with what you observed so it can refine the next recommendation. With a clear prompt, optional HTML upload, and quick iteration, Base44's AI makes bug fixing fast and reliable.